Hey everybody, my name is Elise Wilkerson, and today I'm going to be talking about response to intervention and what it is and how it gets determined. So, response to intervention offers students multiple levels or tiers of evidence-based instruction and intervention. It is based on data-based decision making and now it is more so known for response to intervention as well as instruction. Used to it was more response to intervention, and now they've added the instruction to it. Right. The next thing, how are the tiers determined? The tiers will determine the intensity of the instruction that will vary on the student's learning needs. The students do not have to be disabled to receive intervention. Some people think that that is the case, and it is not. Some students just need a little bit of help. There are 3 tiers, with level 3 being the most involved. Right. So the tiers. Tier 1 is all students. It's differentiated instruction and mostly delivered by a general education teacher. It uses evidence-based core curriculum. Tier 2 builds on Tier 1. It uses strategic evidence-based instruction. It's done in small groups, and it supplements core curriculum. And level 3 is the intensive evidence-based intervention. It can be done individually or in a small group, just depending on the situation. And it is mostly taught by a special education teacher, and the supplement is not replaced. So I'm going to show you kind of the tiers just so you have a representation. So the green one would be the level 1, the yellow would be tier 2, and the red would be tier 3. So this is just a general pyramid just for you to see. All right. And lastly, the decision making and how it's done. So the universal, number 1 is the universal screening and the pre-meeting preparation. The second is the core team meetings, which includes higher authority people like your principal and counselor. And the third thing would be the grade level team meeting. And then the last thing would just be the process outcome and what happens next. So that is what I have today for the response to intervention. I feel like every child deserves a chance. So this is something to help guide them in the right direction if they need a little bit of help. So I hope you all have a great day, and thank you.